Hi crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation P, which stands for Purl. In the swatch here I've got a stockinette pattern going, and that means when you're knitting back and forth, one row is a knitted row and the other row is the purl row. So the knitted row is the one that has all those smooth V's, and the purl row is this bumpy backside of your work. For design purposes, this could be used as the right side, so that would be the reverse stockinette stitch. So let's get into it. How do you make a purl stitch? This is one of the most fundamental stitches to learn. I believe if you know how to knit, purl, and yarn over, you basically know the foundations of knitting, and you can make any project you want. So I knit with my yarn in my right hand. I'm a thrower, not a picker. So this is how I make my purl stitch. I insert my right hand needle into the front loop of the stitch, going from right to left. So you can see the end of my needle is pointing to the left. And then I wrap the yarn around the needle so that it sits at the top of the needle. And then I pull it through and I can move that stitch off of my left hand needle. So once again, insert the needle, yarn over that right hand needle, out, and pull that stitch off. I am not a person to demonstrate how one does with the other method, because I am not good at it, and I'd encourage you to look somebody up who is, and they can give you proper instructions. I'm just not the person to give you proper instructions on that. But as a thrower, this is what I do, and I find with a bit of practice, you will be able to get a nice even tension and have beautiful knits. So that is knitting abbreviation P, Purl.